So today we're going to check out some more long to short hair transformations. So she started off with mid-length hair. Looks like she's cutting her hair to about shoulder length. So she might be getting a lob or a bob with this one. She has very thick, naturally wavy textured hair. So it looks like she's going to be getting color with this. She's looking like she might be going blonde. Oh, okay. So she got highlights. Very pretty. Love her thick eyebrows as well. Definitely a nice switch up. Great way to just kind of change up the hair without anything too drastic. Alright, so moving on. So she starts off with shoulder length hair, and it's like she's getting a pixie cut. Oh, love that maroon hair shade. This is a gorgeous hairstyle. So she got like kind of like a pixie cut in between a bob and a pixie. And then moving right along, so she cut her hair to about midway. And she got blonde as well. So this is kind of like the ombre look that we're seeing here. Dark roots, blonde ends. All right, so moving on. So we see a younger girl. Oh wow, she's got some really long, pretty thick, wavy hair. So the stylist cut the hair within the rubber bands. And I guess he did that because her hair is so thick. I don't know. I've never seen that technique before. So she got like a little baby lob. Oh, she's so precious. Very cute. I know her mom was happy after she got her hair cut. She didn't have to worry about washing all that hair anymore. Oh, she's adorable. Oh, wow. Her hair is super long. Do not tell me she's gonna get a pixie. So this is a younger girl once again. So she basically just cut her ends. That was definitely a psych out because that was like, she's gonna get a pixie cut. Wow, she has such long hair. Yeah, if that's how long her hair is after the cut, just imagine how long her hair actually was before. So moving right along, this is going to be another kind of mini chop we're seeing here. So he cut the hair to about midway. And then she's also getting her ends cut. So this video, okay, so far it's not actually a long to short transformation. It's just kind of like a haircut transformation because a lot of these women aren't even cutting their hair that short. So here's another lob. Love the highlights, really pretty. Gorgeous. I love how the highlights frame the face really nicely. I think it looks great with her complexion. Why do I feel like she's gonna go blonde or do like blonde highlights or something? Oh, she's getting a bob. Okay. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. She actually looks better as a brunette. I'm glad she didn't go blonde. Very pretty bob. Angled bob with the bangs, side swept bangs, gorgeous red lip. Very pretty. She also dyed her hair like a soft brown hue. Ooh, I love this floral printed turtleneck. Alright, so for some reason I put this clip in here twice. But if you loved it the first time, then maybe you'll love it again. All right, so moving right along. So she also has really long hair. Looks like she's getting a lob haircut. And then this one looks like she's gonna be getting a angled bob. Oh wow, she has long hair as well. So she's also, oh, they psyched me out. I thought she was getting a bob. She's just getting layers. Now layers are a great way to add some texture to your hair if you want your hair to look a little bit more voluminous without cutting it. Great option. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like if you did, and I will see you in the next one.